Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix MSI laptop not turning on. First, we will try a hard reset, also known as a power cycle. Start by disconnecting the charger from your laptop. Then remove all connected devices such as USB drives, external monitors, mouse or keyboard. Make sure nothing is plugged into the laptop. Now press and hold the power button. Keep holding it for a full 60 seconds. This step is important because it helps drain any leftover electrical charge inside the system. Even if nothing seems to happen, continue holding until the full time is complete. After that, plug only the charger back into the laptop. Do not connect any other accessories yet. Now press the power button once and check if the laptop turns on. If the laptop still does not respond, we can try a more advanced step. This involves removing the internal battery. Only do this if you feel comfortable opening the laptop. Carefully remove the back panel using the proper tools. Once inside, locate the battery connector and gently disconnect it from the motherboard. With the battery disconnected, plug in the charger and try turning the laptop on again. This helps check if the battery is causing the issue. Another possible cause could be faulty RAM. Turn off the laptop, open the back panel again, and remove the RAM sticks. Then place them back firmly into their slots. Make sure they are properly seated. After reassembling everything, try turning the laptop on again. Thanks for watching.